today's video I will show you how to use some features in your car for Assetto Corsa Evo. So to do this, first we need to bind our keys. So let's go to the settings and now here in controls. Here in the top we can select what input we are using. I will choose the keyboard for this one. And now we have to go to the bottom, and here this is what we need to bind. These are 5 animations. For now, in the cars we have right now, most of the time you will only use this one because I think there is no car with more than 1 animation, so I will bind this one. I will use the keypad. If you want, you can also bind everything, but for now we only need this one. And now we go to any car, for example this car. You can also even do this right now. We press the key we just bind. As you can see, the rooftop just opened. Also we can go to any other car, for example we can go to the Ferrari here, and also here we can show the spoiler for the car, so that's really cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.